Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you step-by-step how to download, install, and use Gibbs OVPN, a free VPN app that makes browsing more secure and helps you reach websites with ease. Whether you're completely new to VPNs or just looking for something simple to set up, this guide is for you. First, open any browser you prefer, such as Chrome. In the search bar, type SSHUDP online website and press enter. From the results, choose the official SSHUDP online website to visit the homepage. Once you're on the homepage, tap on the menu icon. From the list of options, select Free VPN. On this page, you'll see several available VPNs. Look for Gibbs OVPN and tap on it to begin downloading. When the download is ready, tap on the install button. The process may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. After installation is complete, you'll see the option to open the app. Tap on Open to launch Gibbs OVPN. Inside the app, you'll see a simple interface with a large Start button in the middle. At first, the status will show as disconnected. To pick a server, tap on the server drop-down under the Start button. For this tutorial, I'll select New UDP1, which connects through Singapore. You can select other servers depending on your location or needs. Next, you'll notice the Select Tweaks option. This allows you to choose configurations for better speed or certain websites. If you're not sure which one to use, you can simply leave it on the default setting. Now tap on the Start button to connect. The circle will turn green and the status will change to Connected. You'll also see your upload and download usage displayed on the screen so you can track your activity. By default, Gibbs OVPN gives you 2 hours of connection time. If you want to extend your session, just tap the Add 3 hours button, and your time will increase at no cost. When you're finished, tap the Stop button to disconnect and return to the main screen. That's all it takes to download and use Gibbs OVPN for smoother and safer browsing. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more guides, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.